Installation: Drain saddle. A drain saddle is to provide a drain connection for the reverse osmosis water filtration system to a drain pipe. It allows wastewater flow from the system's drain line into the drain pipe under the sink. To install, Step 1. Choose a spot on the drain pipe convenient for installing the drain saddle and tubing. A horizontal pipe is recommended to minimize the dripping sound. Do not install it after the J or P trap to prevent potential microorganism growth. Step 2. Drill a 1/4-inch hole into the drain pipe. Paste the seal pad around the hole to prevent leaks. Step 3. Cut the end of the tubing tip to create a 45-degree angle. Unscrew the nut and insert the tubing through the drain saddle to the drain pipe. Reinstall the nut. Step 4. Install the backplate and tighten the 2 screws with hex nuts. Pull the tubing lightly to ensure it is secure.